Okay, liquids have dotted shape but dotted volume. Liquids have indefinite shape but definite volume. Surface tension increases with decrease in temperature. The SI unit of viscosity Pascal. Okay, the SI unit of viscosity is Pascal second. Also called Newton second per meter square. Newton second per square meter. Kilogram per meter second per second. Cause of capillary rise, adhesive force. Surface tension is due to cohesive force. Viscosity depends on temperature. Liquids boils when the vapor pressure equal to external pressure. The viscosity of liquids decreases with temperature. Example of liquid crystal is soap solution. Vapor pressure increases with increase in temperature. The boiling point of liquid increases when external pressure increases. Which one is an extensive property? Volume. Why droplet is spherical surface tension? Unit of surface tension Newton per meter. Cohesion refers to attraction between same molecules. Capillary depression occurs mercury. Viscosity is maximum in 1E. Liquid does not have definitive shape because high kinetic energy. Vapor pressure depends on liquid nature. The evaporation rate increases with increase in temperature. Surface tension decreases with increase in temperature. Viscosity is greater in polar liquids. Raindrop becomes spherical due to surface tension. Which is more viscous? Glycerin. Laminar flow occurs at low velocity. Turbulent flow occurs when Reynolds number exceeds critical value. The boiling point of water at high altitude decreases. Kinematic viscosity, Newton per meter. Newton for density. Which decrease on increasing temperature? Viscosity. Viscosity decrease on increasing temperature. Cloud formation is due to condensation. Volatile liquids have high vapor pressure. Honey flows slowly due to high viscosity. Boiling is a bulk phenomenon. Greater intermolecular force, higher boiling point. Vaporization at surface only is called evaporation. Viscosity is resistance to flow. Surface tension of pure water at 20 degrees Celsius is approximately 0.073 Newton per meter. Pressure cooker increases boiling point because increases pressure. Diffusion is fastest in gas. Increase in pressure on liquid cause small decrease in volume. Liquids have high density. Most liquids contract on cooling except water at 44 degrees Celsius, not 44 degrees Celsius. Most liquids contract on cooling, except water at 4 degrees Celsius. A wetting liquid has high adhesive force. Surface tension plays major role in soap bubbles. Liquids expand on heating due to increase in kinematic energy. Increase in kinetic energy. Liquids expand on heating due to increase in kinetic energy. Meniscus of water is concave. Vapor pressure depends mainly on nature of liquid. Solids have definite shape, definite volume. Solids are generally incompressible. Examples of amorphous solid: glass. Crystalline solid has ordered arrangement. Which is a crystalline solid? Quartz. Smallest repeating unit is the unit cell. Metallic bond exists in metals. Which one is amorphous? Glass. Diamond is covalent solid. Ionic crystal has high melting point. Sodium chloride crystal structure is face-centered cubic. Graphite conducts electricity due to mobile electrons or free electrons. Amorphous solid is due to also known as pseudo solid. Metals are malleable due to metallic bond. Ice is example of molecular solid. Quartz is example of network solid. Solid diffuse very solidly. Crystalline solids have sharp melting point. Amorphous solids soften over range of temperature. Example of ionic solid: sodium chloride. In metals, conductivity increases on cooling. Vacancy defect decreases density. Interstitial defect increases density. Absent cause color in solids. Schottky defect is common in high coordination ionic solids. Frankel defect, cation displacement. Crystal lattice points represent atoms, ions, molecules, all. Polymorphism refers to one solid showing many forms. Allotropes are elements existing in many forms. Example of allotropes: graphite, diamond. Metals are good conductors due to mobile electrons. Crystals are classified based on unit cell parameters. The coordination number of sodium ion in sodium chloride is 6. Base center cubic unit cell has 2 atoms. Face center cubic unit cell has 4. Density of solid is maximum in solids. Crystalline solids are anisotropic. Amorphous solids are isotropic. Diamond hardness is due to strong covalent network. Supercooled liquid is glass. Glass is supercooled liquid. Metallic solids are good conductors. Ionic solids conduct electricity in molten state. Crystal having the same composition but different structure, polymers. Example of molecular solid: ice. The number of space lattice is 14. Which has a covalent bond? Sodium chloride, potassium chloride, magnesium oxide has ionic bond, but graphite has covalent bond. Metals are ductile due to layer sliding. Network covalent solids: silicon. Silicon is network covalent solid. Amorphous solids are short range order which has highest melting point, diamond, which is a surface phenomenon. Evaporation causes cooling because it is absorbed. Volatility of liquid is directly related to vapor pressure. Surface tension plays major role in soap bubble formation. Liquid crystals are intermediate state. Alcohols weights glass because adhesion force is greater than cohesion. Capillary rise formula was given by Zurin. Solids are generally incompressible. Density of crystal depends on number of atoms per unit cell. Coordinates number in base center cubic is 8. Sodium chloride lattice is face center cubic. Interstitial defect results, density increases. Diamond hardness is due to strong covalent bond network. Amorphous solids have melting range. Molecular solids are soft with low melting point. Dry ice is carbon dioxide in solid. Short range order is characteristic of amorphous solids. The number of atoms in simple cubic unit cell is 1. Close packing in solids gives high density. Ionic solids have high melting point due to strong electrostatic force. Example of molecular solids, ice, coordinate number is face center cube is 12. The number of octahedral voids per atom, 1. Amorphous solids are also called pseudosolids. Okay, it's all about MCQ related to solid and liquid state. Thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for patience. That is now bye bye. See you again.